Hello everyone, we are going to solve x power x equal 2 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So we cannot prove that any number x power x equals 2, whether it's 1 power 1, 2 power 2. So we have to use another property of maths, that is, first we'll taking log on both sides. So as per log rule, log a power b is equals to b log a. So x log x equal log 2. Now I'm going to use the lambda w function, which says that w a e power a is equals to a. For example, w 2e power 2 is equals to 2. So let's apply this. So it becomes log x times e log x equal log 2. So if I'll take w Lambert function, so w log x times e log x equal w log 2. So this part becomes log x only equal w log 2. So if I'll take exponential function, so e power log x equal e power w log 2 and this becomes x only. So it is equals to e power w log 2, which is approximately equals to 1.5596. So 1.5596 power 1.5596 is equals to 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.